motivational.
Well, tell us where you got it. Now, what is the key to your success, you said?
For me, it was exercise. I know it sounds really cheesy, and a lot of people are going to tell you that, you know, whatever, exercise. But I got to a certain point in my weight loss journey where I wasn't losing any weight. I wasn't gaining, but I wasn't losing, and it was because I was using up the same energy that I was eating. So I stopped completely, and as soon as I started running, which I did the Couch to 5K program. That's how I started out. Very simple, 30 minutes at the gym, nothing crazy, but you can even do it outside. I like air conditioning, so I went to the gym. So I did the Couch to 5K, and at the end of 9 weeks, I was running for 30 minutes without stopping. I wasn't running very fast, but I was still running. And then slowly, I just kind of got the gym bug, and I started working out, and as soon as I started working out, I started to lose a pound a week, 2 pounds, 3 pounds. I even had 1 week where I lost 4 or 5 pounds, and that's when I started doing, I was doing 30 minutes of running, and then I integrated 30 minutes of weightlifting and other exercises. So I was doing the gym for an hour, and as soon as, when I transferred over from 30 minutes to an hour, I lost 4 pounds that week. So I figured, you know, that was the key. So I started stepping it up, and now it's just like 4% of my day. Like, basically I can go to the gym for 1 hour and then I will have energy for the rest of the day. Or if I go at night, I will sleep better, and I will, you know, as soon as I hit the pillow, I'll be dead, like just sleeping. But because I am exercising. And then as soon as basically that was it. I started eating better and I started exercising. It took me a good 3 months to get it all together, because it doesn't happen overnight and it sucks, and you know, until you get into a routine, it's not going to be fun. But now I can run 5Ks, and now I can, you know, go to the park and walk my dog and go hiking and do all these crazy things that I wouldn't be able to do before. And that's thanks to exercise. So I lost the weight, and now I have a completely new life.
And so what's a typical day's dietary intake, just for interest?
In the morning, I'll wake up, and I know you're not supposed to have coffee, but I will have decaffeinated coffee with protein, with the protein powder, and then a little bit of skim milk. And I put it in a shaker, and that's how I go to school in the mornings. And then towards the afternoon, I'll have a soup or salad with protein. Sometimes it's tuna, sometimes it's chicken. Most of the time it's tuna. And then at night, I will have either soup or salad, or I will have like a chicken breast or some sort of protein with some steamed vegetables. I try not to eat too many carbs, because it's not only is it harder to eat the carbohydrates, but I get carbohydrates from the broccoli or from the asparagus, because the vegetables that have natural carbohydrates in them. And that was it. And then usually if I get hungrier at night, or if my hunger is, you know, insufferable, or I ate too early, I will have a protein shake, like an hour or two before I go to bed, or just to quiet down hunger. Sometimes I'll just even have half a protein shake.
You're insane. You're so good at all of this.